Okay guys, so it is in the morning. I look on the radar, we are an enhanced risk of severe weather. I hope to get some storms tonight, so we'll see what happens. Finally, it's been a long time. Ow. Move. Alright. It is raining now. I think I heard my mom trip or something. You okay? I thought I heard people screaming. By God, if that wasp. Hold on. I'm getting a play and I'm going out there. I'm not staying on that carpet, that.
Not sitting underneath the thing.
Yeah, because there's a wasp there that just touched my back. I ain't putting up with that. No way. Okay, now I'm going out here. Problem solved. It is raining. I hear thunder, like slight thunder, north of us. Yeah, you can hear it. Well, I can, at least. Spooky out here. Look at this. I swear, there's always a cat at that window. Always. It's like it doesn't move. Look at all that. Clouds and stuff. Guess I know there's a water droplet on the camera. Well, gee, that helped. Oh well. Screw it. Hey, at least we're getting some rain. Man, look at that. At least we're getting some rain. Again, I do hear thunder, like, that way. Around. I swear there's a wasp on my back, isn't there? I swear. I swear. Hey! Other little fries. Fries. Rain got a little heavier. A little bit. It's nice out here. Whoa. You hear that? Yeah, I hear deep rumbles off over there. Whoa, plane. There's a plane. There's a plane. There's a plane. Hello? Hello? Where'd it go? Oh well. I don't care. Screw it all. The other line of storms that's coming seems more severe. Go over there so you can see it better. All those, that's the rest of the storm up there. Yeah. You can probably see the cloud. Still, this is pretty good. Oh, and by the way, a moderate risk has been issued lower Michigan and like Indiana and Ohio. I think that's for like later tonight, to be honest. It looks like there's a little more rain coming, but looks like it's just gonna keep drizzling and sprinkling until there's thunder. See how there's like sun over there? Then it goes, contrast decreases a little bit. That's some light rain over there. But yeah, oh god, there's someone outside. But you know what I mean. I'll wait till later. See if there's, I'm guessing, more rain. So yeah. Okay guys, hear that? That's thunder. See that? That's lightning. I personally did think this was over. I thought we were just gonna get drizzles for the rest of the night and maybe a little bit of lightning. Oh! Turns out we're getting like a big thing now. It is like 10:30 right now. This is freaky. I need you to flash, please. Whoa, 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 I almost fell. Okay. Here, I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright. I'm back. I just need to fix the focus because I couldn't focus. This is awesome. Ow. Should probably look through the camera for one of these. Oh. It sounded like clouds cracked. Which I guess they did. Ow. I should look through this. Flash. Please flash. Oh, now you're gonna be all boring, huh? Huh? I shouldn't under it. And I didn't even look through the camera. Oh my god, I'm a retard and a half. There's like a dead pixel on my screen. Oh well. Oh geez. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I really hope you focus. Dang. That's awesome. Back up. Back up. Start humping the table to move it. Unbelievable. Raining. Significantly heavier than it was. Oh my god! It's burnt into my eyes. It is burnt into my eyes. I still see it. Okay then. I still see it when I close my eyes. That was bright. That touched the ground. That definitely touched the ground. zoom in real quick. And check my weather. Go away. Daily dose. Yep, we're approaching heavy rain with significant thunder. Wait a minute. I think the light bulb burnt out. What the? Move! Okay. I can still see that lightning bolt when I close my eyes. Still, just very slightly. Still. Dang, it's like permanently burnt into my eyeballs. Permanent. Ew. Something on my hand. Arm. I really wish this plant was in my way. I could like not use that right now. Screw this. Oh God. I shouldn't be touching that. Screw that. Oh jeez. Oh dang, did I see that? Okay, it's getting a little breezy. Sheesh. Oh, jeez, I can't see now. You blinded me. Okay, I can see now. Oh, jeez, I'm gonna fall over. Don't stand on the table. Okay, if you want me to get under here, I'll do it. I'll do it. Oh dang. What the heck? I was waiting for the rain, that took long enough. It's fogging up the window. The bimbo. Getting some moderate rain right now. Again, I swear that cat over there never moves. It's still in the window. Oh, okay, then. This is awesome. Oh geez. Oh well. This is pretty. This is pretty. Okay. This is like cloud to ground bolts this time around. Still moderate rain. Not too bad. Ooh. Oh geez, now it drops all over the camera. Oh well. IDC, could care less. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, okay, I got part of that. Rain calmed a little bit. Now to some drizzles. Some drizzle. Drizzles. Drizzle. Whatever. Can you quit? Okay. I just yawned and my ear popped. It's covered, like inside with that, with like snot or something. Dang. Whoa. Awesome. Okay, it looks like we're getting a little bit of a breeze now. There's a tree there that you can't see in the camera. Maybe you can a little bit, but barely. I wish I had like a 4K setting. I only have it up to like 720p on this camera. I could turn it up to 1080, but I don't know where to do that. Neither do I want to, because I don't want this camera to like overstress itself if, you know, if that were to happen. So I'm just gonna keep it at 720p for now. Awesome. I need a chair. Screw it. Okay, maybe it can sit on this, but it's like off balance. It's metal too. Ah, screw it. Ow! It took my nuts. Okay. This is quite awesome. All right. Okay, Rain. I get it. I get it. You exist. You came back. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I have a moderate rain. Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy about this. There's a bunch of negative ions in the air. Make you happy. Just sort of see the clouds. Ew! Ew, the rail on this deck is like slippery or something. Well, duh, it's raining. Nice. Dang. Okay. Rain's getting crazier. I see a little bit of flooding, like next door. Yeah. Got a little breezy, like before, like after the rain that I showed you in the beginning, and before, well, when I'm recording this video, it got kind of, got kind of breezy. And apparently that's gonna happen again a little later. Looks like the rain's calming a little bit, so yeah, I'll check back with you in a minute. In a minute by I don't know when. Okay, I'm back. Getting crazier. Okay. Hold on a minute. I'll turn the light. So it won't like interfere the light. So like light won't interfere. Mosquitoes are gonna love this. Haven't seen much mosquitoes this year, by the way. Got a few, but not too many. Okay, then. Nice. Jeez. Whoa, as soon as I pointed at it. I can tell I'm getting a little tired, but I'm happy about this storm. This is awesome. I imagine there's like some red off over that way, like where that light is. There's some yellows and reds, and then there's a little bit of purple that spatters up in it a little bit too. So that means there's probably gonna be hail. I hope. Whoa. Okay then. This is beautiful. I wonder if... Hey, it's charged. I should let it charge some more. Go inside again. Again, so it won't interfere. Whoa. Okay then. Rocks out of the way. Oh, awesome. Ow. Oops. Dang. And that was bright. Move now. Hello? Hello? Never mind, I'm leaving this door open. I keep seeing like black figures behind me. I'm losing it. Uh-oh. Nice. Oh! Okay. Getting energetic now. Don't worry. Be happy. You hear that one? Now you can hear the one above us. Dang. Okay. Something smells like laundry. Dang. I wonder how many lightning strikes have occurred in this video. Sheesh. Dang. The rolling shoulder effect is not helping. It's not helping. Sheesh. Ow. It's moderate to heavy rain. Ow. Nice. Yeah, if the lightning flashes, you can see the tree like over there. Oh! Oh, I really wanted to get that. Rock and roll. Okay. Yeah, see that? Look, this way now. I need to turn. Ooh. Ow. Ow. Huh. Whoa, you can see that. You can see the clouds. Whoa. Oh, I hope I don't press the random button. Jeez. I've got some anxiety. Ow. My eyes. I can see it in my eyes again. Oh, shut up. Shh. Dang, I coughed and lightning struck. By the way, yes, it is midnight. It is now it is now Tuesday. This is pretty. I check the weather. Oh. Oh, Mom's up. Hey, Mom.
Hey.
Yes, I am recording.
Yeah.
Ow. Rain's getting crazier. If you can see it bouncing off. Oh, okay. Cool. Dang. Okay, the wind speed is picking up significantly. I'm guessing there's a bunch of wind over there, so I'm guessing that's like, dang. I'm guessing like it's like 20 mile an hour gusts. 25 maybe. Give or take. Look on my radar, we're in like a red shade. Or like an orange red. Finally. It's been a long time coming. Whoa! Wow. Uh-oh, okay. Okay. Rain. Sheesh. Dang. Probably see the rain over there. The wind. Probably see the wind over there. Oh, you're still up. My phone says it's 70 degrees right now. Uh-oh. I hear hail. Oh, jeez. I think I hear like tiny little bits of hail. Might be in the purple or something. Dang. Again, you can see the rain. Look how much that's leaking. Fair enough. Okay, fair enough. Uh-oh. Wind-driven rain. Check the lightning. Going outside. Yep, stuff coming. Okay, my radar. Well, for a second more. Go! This stupid phone. Yep, gust of... Most recent gust was 25 miles an hour. My arm is drenched. Okay. Chill out, rain. Please. Some very heavy rain. As of now. You see it going down the road. Like waves of rain. This is eerie. Uh-oh. Yep, I feel the wind. Dude, that's some heavy wind. Ow. Oops. No. Still hear noises down the quarry. No. This is getting nuts. When the rain starts to calm down, then I'll probably end the video and I'll go inside. Go for like 25 minutes, maybe. Calming down, sorta. Jeez. That's too much rain on the lens. It's coming under here. I'm getting like slimmer and slimmer places. Pretty severe. Apparently south of us, they got like 60, 70 mile an hour gusts. Apparently there might have been a little tornado down in Kalamazoo. So, this is going to turn into like a Boeing line segment or whatever. A bow echo, that's what it's called. It's going to turn into a bow echo. The farther it goes down south. Yeah, it's like a derecho right now. Uh-oh. This is crazy. I'm gonna listen to it under here. No, my camera sensor. No. Camera screen. But I didn't burn a hole into the back of it. Yeah, it just sounds like under here. It's 12:11. Phone, it is not midnight. It is not midnight. It's 12:11. Okay, it's 12:12 now. Yep, severe thunderstorm warning in Charlotte. We're still clear of it. We're in the watch. Okay, I'm back. I didn't know the recording stops at 25 minutes. Oh well, that's fine. I thought it stopped at 30. Come on. This is why I'm keeping it at 720p. Because I ain't putting up with all that. No way. We're still clear of the severe thunderstorm watch off that way. It's like Charlotte area, Eaton County. There's some more thunder coming though. All the extremely heavy rain is like that way. Like from that light post to that tree that's you can't see right now. It's gonna go past us. All that heavy rain, like all the purples and stuff. Yeah. Oh. Dang. You need to learn proper etiquette. Dang. I think I see like, is that hail? I think that's just rain. Thought I saw hail in the road. I'm gonna get sick again by this. Probably. I swear if I do, I'm not going outside the rest of the summer. Because this forest right here has like diseases and stuff. So no, I ain't putting up with that. Yeah. It looks like thunder. We're in like the middle of the oh dang. Middle of the worst thunder right now. And it's gonna go past. I'm gonna go inside, go to sleep. Maybe. Probably not. Jeez. Like not even 2-3 seconds go by and then there's another strike. I'm happy about that. Yeah, constant. Jesus, water. Go out into the water real quick. Never mind, there's like 2 inches of water on the ground. Never mind. Told you it flooded a little bit out in the yard. Definitely flooded in the road. Horn forks in my butt. No. Dang. Really wish that the rolling shutter thing was like, didn't like blip, so the lightning capture would be better. Hey, at least you have 60 FPS. I hope. So just smile. Because if you don't want that, I'll crank it down to 15 FPS. That ain't even an option on this thing. Some moderate rain right now. Like a drizzle. Medium drizzle, I guess. Ain't nearly as bad as what it was. Yeah, not even close. Yeah, the lightning's calming down a little bit. Oh! I'm glad I was pointing at that thing. Yeah! Yeah! Jeez, I could hear it. This is something I like to fall asleep to. Still dry in this bucket. Yeah, it's definitely flooded out here. Okay, I'm going in. Screw you. Uh-oh. That circled us. Yeah, I think I'm getting Yeah, my vision's starting to go weird, so I'm gonna end this video off on a good note and make you subscribe, man. There's even more. It's everywhere. So yeah, looks like the rain's picking up a little bit. It doesn't look on the radar, it ain't that bad. So I guess, dang. So I guess I'm gonna end this off. If you like this video, press the like button and consider subscribing. Get me to 200 subscribers. And I'll see you next time. I might go a little longer, but yeah, bye for now. Jeez, I need to get in before I lose it. Bye, Storm. I can just listen to it.